Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang Mikaya Can We Stay Low-Key, which is the episode 10 of BB Podcast ng Walang Jowa. So I just want to know kung anong mga, nila dito, thoughts and opinions and everything. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
2, 3.
45 minutes pala ito, dear. My
Hi,
God.
I'm Beanie Mika.
Hi everyone, I'm Beanie Aya, and together we are Mikaya.
Mikaya, okay.
Hello, hello.
Inano talaga nila pala? Tuning talaga nila ang Mikaya.
And what is our topic
Okay.
today, Mika?
Well, as you can see,
Kain tayo.
ang tanong niya is, can we stay low-key?
Ay, iba talaga yung boses ni Mika. Nakakainis.
Low-key lang kami. Charot.
But-
We're low-key in our lives, and the things we do, we like to keep it low-key. What does low-key mean?
Like sa relationship.
Or the word low-key. Kasi, di ba it's a slang, and not a lot of people know what this is. Kasi parang bago lang to na-invent.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
It's like, I feel like it means na parang hindi ka masyadong expressive and like public about your feelings. Like someone could be low-key, very private lang. Private sila.
chill lang, Speaking of, because you mentioned private, because now I'm thinking, what is the difference of private versus secret? Kasi yung iba parang, I'm in a low-key relationship, but what does it mean really? Does it mean that you're in a private relationship or a secretive type of relationship? Kasi iba di ba? For me, iba talaga yung meaning ng private and secret.
Kasi secret talaga.
Iba-iba yung private.
It's like, you're
Correct.
hiding it. You're hiding
Yeah,
it.
Correct.
right?
But private is you're openly saying that
Ang galing ni
you're in a
Mika.
relationship.
Naka-boyfriend na pa si Mika.
But you're not exposing like let's say the
Yeah.
identity, where you guys go.
Yeah.
Parang kamay-kamay lang yung picture, like low
Truth.
Ay,
picture.
Truly.
Yung mga like yung mga
blurred.
pa-soft launch, yung mga low-key lang
Oo.
dyan.
Soft launch lang. Yung
Mm.
hard launch, that's for very public and open.
That's mga ma-high-key.
Yes, high key.
Ayun.
Ay,
Actually,
siya.
hindi ko nga, akala ko nga before, yung word na low-key, parang gawa-gawa lang, like, akala ko like sa ano siya, like sa piano.
Mm.
Very musical
Sa piano?
term, ganun. So parang, ano to, low-key? Like, we're just low-key. Ano yan? Hindi ko gets talaga. Tapos, okay. Parang, I get it now. Like,
Gets.
I low-key wanna eat today, but not really. Parang ganun
Oo,
din.
papansin lang, ganun, pabebe lang. Ganun.
Like, not entirely sure. Hindi din
Yeah.
naman ganun. Or,
Hindi naman ganun. I feel like low-key is a preference.
Preference.
Parang for people, like, ang daming tao na they're happy naman that they're not on social media and that they're just keeping it private and low-key, chill. But then there are people who really like to update, post like La Union pictures.
Yeah, La Union pictures.
Joke lang.
Naman sa La Union.
Hindi, parang alam mo yun, like, Ate Aya kasi, she's very open sa mga tao. Like, she
like
likes
example.
sharing. You like to share where you go and like,
gets.
the things you love to do, like travel and activities.
Ano
And
ba
yeah.
sa La Union?
If sa ibang tao na, like, example, like, not just in terms of love, pero kasi, like, example, may mga gantong nangyayari sa kanilang buhay, but they chose to be low-key and hindi nila sinishare. And may times akong ganun. May times na
Oo,
parang,
totoo.
I wanna share to
Keep
people,
it secret.
inspire in a way. Ganun.
Yeah.
But
Mm-mm.
yeah, just like in love. May mga,
Sa love, anong mas prefer mo?
Ako, what do you think? I'm the type of person.
Feeling
when it
ko,
comes to that. Do
low-key.
you think if ever I'll be in a relationship,
Feeling ko low-key
I'm
siya.
a high key or
Hindi,
low-key
Mika
kind of
low-key din.
person? And why?
Ayan.
Parang, ba't parang tinitreaten mo ako?
No, I'm
Are
curious
you
to know what
warning
your
me?
I'm curious to know your your thoughts.
Ako, I think that if you were
Low-key.
in a relationship lang, let's just say, and you weren't in Beanie anymore, I feel like you'd be the type na
High-key?
high-key relationship ka. Kasi I feel like you're the type to post
Really?
of something that you're proud of and that, and you're proud of having this person, for example, and like you found this person, and I think that you would post about him and like appreciation posts, ganon. Happy
Talaga?
anniversary,
Yung mga appreciation post for my man. Tapos ang haba ng
Yeah.
caption.
True.
Oo, grabe talaga yung mga ganun. Pero like, in fairness sa inyo, yung mga gumaganon, like, it's a very nice thing to receive naman on the guys.
So we need to say
Depende
low-key si
daw.
Mika.
Kasi, yeah, may mga ibang tao na ganun yung
In fairness sa ganun
Yeah.
sa mga
Oo.
high.
They
So,
just
parang
want to share to the
low-key na siya.
world na this is how expressive I am with showing my love to my man.
Ay, talaga? Ay, hindi pala
Yeah.
siya.
Mga ganon.
Ako,
Oo.
sa tingin mo?
Ikaw,
Low-key.
knowing you, I feel like low-key.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Yeah.
you like to keep things na private. Yung, pero there's also, it has good and bad things when it
Yeah,
comes to low-key.
definitely.
What would you say the good things are? Let's start with the good stuff.
Well, I think the good stuff first is that since not a lot of people know, also they wouldn't like ask about it a lot too. Like not a lot of people would want to know like, hey, how you guys doing? Like, are you always like, because like public those high key relationships, ang daming nagko-comment, ang daming nakikisaw-saw or
they feel like they're
Yeah.
involved.
yeah,
no?
exactly. And it's like just because you
True.
post it doesn't mean that you guys should get like a say in what's going on.
True.
So
I
yeah.
guess that's why maybe people tend to just go for the low-key route because they don't want any of those noise from other people, no?
Pero masaya rin kasi kapag low-key kasi
Ay, na-experience mo ba?
Ay! Wala na. Ano yung sabihin mo yan?
Pero alam mo yun, like, pag low-key kasi kayo, it's better kasi na hindi kayo nag-uusap ng masyadong problems mo like outside the two of you guys. Kasi na-affect talaga yung perspective mo sa...
True.
Sa...
Gets. And parang there are things that are meant to be na dapat within you guys lang. Yeah.
Minsan parang yung problems, mas nagkakaproblema kapag humihingi ka pa ng advice.
Yung isang problem mo, naging dalawa, times two.
Oo, totoo
Until
yan.
Kasi ang dami ng thoughts na nakisawsaw nga.
Like for example, may nakita akong TikTok video actually. It was very educational about like advice. Parang sinasabi na there are problems that you guys should be the only ones to fix. Kasi when you ask your mom, you will always be your mom's daughter in her eyes. You're the baby in her eyes. So obviously she'd give advice that's best for you.
So parang may biases
Oh,
na, no?
yes, meron talaga. And like your friends, it's like when you ask your friends for advice, sometimes kasi some people, they ask advice to have someone to back them up on their side and what they
Yeah.
want to do about
Lini,
it.
ang galing magsalita. Alam mo, perfect
Gets.
talaga sila together.
Actually. And how
Actually.
about the bad side?
Pag sila Peter,
Gusto mo
si,
yung intense.
ano no, si Aya, yung boses niya, yung voice
Kasi
talaga
low-key
siya.
ba?
Oo, kasi 'di ba kung yung good side is na to treasure yung
Pero yung voice
privacy.
talaga si Aya.
Now, talking about the bad side, what is something that's not nice about being that private?
Feeling
Okay.
ko, for us girls naman, feeling ko, since low-key yung relationship nyo, not a lot of people would know about it. And they would think na you're single minsan.
They have assumptions.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so parang feeling nila na dahil she doesn't post about it that much, siguro, hindi sila seryoso.
Yeah.
Diba?
Okay,
Nagkaka-doubt
gets.
sa partner minsan.
Mhm.
And also to people. So siguro, minsan baka magka-argument pa kayo if ever just because na low-key kayo and like they assume that siguro if I chat her like
Ang ganda din ng dalawa mong
or
podcast.
something like that. Ikaw ba?
Yeah, siguro kasi it's hard to tell. Example, ikaw, you're in a relationship pala. Tapos like I try to parang I try to make my way na parang hindi naman sila masyado. Hindi ko sila nakakita masyado na like very expressive together or always together. Pero because you're just trying to keep it low key. So parang I will think yun nga na I have a chance kasi hindi naman sila like I don't always see them together. Pero well, that's where you are wrong kasi they're just trying to maintain the low key relationship. Pero some other people then just because it's a low key relationship, sometimes there's a line, parang blurry line between
Yung unjust
low-key versus yung you're
Tinatago? Ganun.
hindi din pero what's that? Parang you're not giving much effort. Parang you're going down low.
Oo, parang
kasi,
kampante na lang.
Oo, naging
Kampante.
complacent ka
Yeah.
na. Kasi, well, low-key naman tayo. Okay, I won't try as much because like,
Mm-mm.
low-key,
Tsaka feeling niya, hindi naman malalaman to ng mga tao na
True.
like,
Yun din minsan yung mga ano eh.
yung ganon.
Bad
Yeah.
sides
I
ng
think
low.
din, siguro din no, just a thought, pero baka din kaya na if low-key, I feel like there is some couples out there na they have a blurry line of like, how much effort should I give or how much should I like
Ang galing ni Aya.
the other one wants to keep it low-key or
Yeah.
ano yun?
Gets, parang ayaw mo na gawa ng
Ganda
grand
talaga ni Mika.
gestures
Yeah.
to not catch attention or something like that. Sa tingin mo, what's the line between not putting in effort na and just like low-key? Like, anong pwedeng gawin na?
I feel like like you guys can keep it low-key. Like, example, hindi kayo both, and it has to be a mutual decision.
Mm-mm.
Basta lang both kayo, you agree na, okay, low-key means we have to keep our privacy by not posting much on social media, and if you have problems, we face it together, just you and me, fix it.
Yeah.
But doesn't mean that we are not gonna try and make an effort na we give an effort for both of us to
Yeah.
feel seen, loved, and heard.
Yeah,
Kasi,
and tsaka
diba?
it's not okay that ganun lang kayo, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Even though you guys are low key, you should always find ways to make each other happy and make the relationship escalate, like the
Mhm.
levels of it. Kasi you guys have to get to a point na kahit bored kayo or you guys
Mhm.
have been together for so long,
Mhm.
kailangan nyo talaga na makahanap ng ways para to excite things with one
Yeah.
another.
Actually, that's what my brother said then to me. Kasi, well, right now he's married and sabi niya, well, there are really times,
Ilan sila magkakapatid?
not just if you're married,
Kasi
but
si
in
Mika
a
dalawa lang sila,
relationship daw, there are really times na parang, it's not always happy times, it's
Yeah.
boring times sometimes, sad times, pero sabi niya parang, yung isang hindi niya dapat ilalet go talaga, kahit ganun, is yung dapat may pa rin, yung mga kilig, little
Yeah.
moments.
Yeah,
Kasi
like konting
yung
flirt-flirt,
yung
ganun.
magbibigay
Konting
ng konting spark in
Konting
those
flirt.
dull moments.
And like,
Yeah.
yung mga little things like compliments. Like when you
Yeah.
tell someone, wow, you're looking good today.
Uh-huh.
You're looking...
Words of affirmation.
Slay.
You're-
Ganun.
Yeah,
Slay.
you're looking extreme. Chart. Extreme. Yeah.
Yun.
Yun din sabi pa ng brother ko na example, may mga times na usap lang sila, tapos, yung balikan lang na, yung balikan niya yung
Past.
Like,
Past.
example,
Oo.
magkukwento nga, paano nga ulit kita nakita, paano nga naging
Oo.
tayo, yung mga ganun, yung mga something that will bring you back to the old
Yeah.
memories.
Iba talaga yung
Mga
voice ni
moments.
Aya.
And it's like
Dahil yung voice
fun
talaga siya.
na parang you guys reminisce, diba?
Yeah.
You guys think about na, dang, like, how did we get
Konyo.
there? Kasi the first time
Oh,
you guys
journey,
talked,
no?
Cool yun talaga. Sobrang
normal
cool yun
masyado.
talaga.
Tapos pinagtatawanan nyo na lang talaga yung
Mhm.
yung first time yung nag-usap, tama?
Kasi sobrang cool yan.
So, I have a question. So,
Ah.
have you been in a,
Ano
in a
what?
low-key
Wow.
type of thing? Not just in love, but example in kasi may mga ganun, like with friendships.
Yeah.
There are, I know some friends I have na may friends silang ganito. Alam mo yung sobrang, pag sila magkasama on social media, sobrang pinapakita na, hey, this is my friend, we're doing this, ganun. Pero,
Yeah, gets.
they also have friends din na true friends talaga. Pero they haven't posted a single
Yeah.
photo. Pero, sobrang sila, dikit. Like, lahat ng mga
Mm-mm.
secrets alam. May mga ganun.
Oo, ganun. Ako, mas gusto ko yung ganun, yung
Mhm.
low-key. Pero I also have
Low-key.
friends na I trust,
Mhm.
na they also post. Kasi ganun talaga sila, like as you know, as models or idols na ganon.
or people who are into
Oo.
social media.
Yeah, and
ganon.
social media. Pero for me, I really like to appreciate and just enjoy the time with my friends. That's why I just really like to keep my phone closed, or I just check it if I have to search something. But I'm not the type to oh, picture tayo dito, like ganon. But if we're in a nice place, maganda ako, sasabihin ko talaga na picture tayo, sayang naman, di ba?
Minsan may binabagayan din yung pagka low-key mo, no?
Mm.
Kasi, din, like, kaya minsan you have to stay low-key for safety purposes din.
Yeah.
Action.
Because not everything has to be shared out there.
Totoo.
Because, there are some
Evil's
There are
eye.
people
Mm-mm.
out there din na
Evil's
take
eye.
advantage on the things that you post.
And especially when you post real time, like,
Oh,
you're at this
scary.
place, post ka agad that you're in this
Uh-huh.
place. Mag-ingat kayo, please.
Yeah.
Kasi
Mag-ingat kayo,
there's
please.
someone out there who is always checking your profile, you know. Pero alam mo yun, like,
Ako yung
You do
trick
you.
ko pag mga ganun, like when I go out, so example, I'm in this place, and then I only post about that place if I'm in a different place na, or
Yeah,
if I'm
yeah.
not there na, or a day after,
Oo,
ganun, para
totoo.
safe, yeah.
gets.
Kasi, imagine, no, you're like yun, yung time na naglaon yun ako. So,
Ay, siya pala naglaon
that's
yun.
the first time na ako lumagisa. So, parang
Yeah.
I shouldn't like post na where I am at that moment. So,
Siya pala yung naglaon
I
yun.
wanna, parang,
Kailan siya naglaon yung
that
mag-isa lang?
time, I was sharing stuff where I am, but at the same time, low-key in a way na I'm not sharing real-time updates.
Gets.
So, not all the details, just some. But, yeah, may konting pagka-low-key.
Konting pagka-low-key.
Ganda ng smile niya.
Siyempre, kailangan
Taasar.
mag-low-key, of
Meron bang,
course.
di ba, so, if my low-key, and then my high-key, do you think there's a mid-key? Meron ba?
Meron bang mid-key? Sa tingin mo kung, so let's say high-key. High-key is like always open.
Uh-huh.
Posting, sharing to people like, oh, I have the best boyfriend or girlfriend.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Do you think you're really meant to be like that? Like, if you're,
In a
if you're
relationship.
to have a relationship in the
Mm.
future.
I think I would be
Feeling ko hindi pa
a
nagka-boyfriend si
high-key
Mika.
kind of person, but only in person, but not on social media.
Gets.
Ah,
Yeah, like with my
okay.
friends, you know. I'm
So
just
basically, low-key pa din siya.
Like clingy in person, pero sa
Mm-mm.
social media world, like,
Mm.
chill
yeah,
lang.
like chill lang.
So
Kasi
parang
I
low-key pa
just
din,
feel like
no?
it's something that I only want specific people to see. Kasi
Gets.
parang
So
it's
would you
my
consider,
privacy eh.
so would that be considered as is that Milky? May ganun ba?
Baka.
May ganun, no?
Baka nga may
Milky.
Milky.
Tapos because of this,
Kiki sore.
nag-create ng bagong term.
Oo.
Milky. Nasa dictionary na.
Hashtag Midkey, guys. Drop a comment kung agree kayo na Midkey.
Baka, oo nga. Possible.
We'll see. Wow, in the
We'll see.
future. We'll see
Ano?
kung ano kaya si Mika in the future.
Ah.
Kung ano siya.
ikaw mauna.
Ako? We'll see, din.
Pero do you think that, what if, for example, let's say we're in a relationship, let's say lang, and you want to be high-key, I want to be low-key, do you think, pero super kayo nagva-vibe,
Mm-hmm.
would that affect like a lot of fights? Kasi for example, feeling mo na I don't think na
Yeah.
like I'm proud of you and like I'm proud you're my girlfriend,
Gets.
ganon. So feeling mo ba na magalit ka sa akin or ano?
Actually, no. Kasi example, if ako yung high-key, tapos ikaw yung low-key, am I
Oo.
right? Kasi, for me pala, I feel love if you keep posting me. Kasi, ang daming may nag-aaway ng ganito. Kasi they want to be
oo.
posted as much on social media.
Yeah.
Pero, on the other hand, yung partner nila gusto lang low-key. Kasi, yun nga, ayaw nila ng sobrang, everything's out there. So, feeling ko it's a matter of having compromising with each other, meeting
Yeah.
halfway. Na example, if ako, I want you to post me, and you don't want to post as much. Siguro, let's meet halfway. Siguro, i-post mo ako, pero kahit once a year.
Ay,
Grabe naman
For at
yun.
least na post.
Or like,
yeah. Nag-vibes ko na, pero medyo,
baka gusto kasi like parang
high-key talaga
ako
siya.
gusto lang kita itago kasi I don't want people na
To share.
yung gagano'n. Like,
Oo, no, kasi
oo.
yung iba din kaya tinatago nila. Or like they keep it private kasi yung may mga predators out there na
Yeah.
parang,
Predators.
no,
Predators.
you can't have her. This is my
Yeah.
girl. No. Pero in a
Yeah.
way na not naman obsessive and controlling yung iba. Kaya ganun. They just want
protective lang
Oo,
talaga.
protective lang.
Yeah.
I think, pag mga ganun, kailangan talaga pag-usapan and know what
Mm-mm.
works for both. Yeah. And,
Paano kung ay.
go. What's
Oh my
that?
gosh, this I have a question. So, what if the person that you're with,
Mhm.
he or she really doesn't have social media?
Walang
Mm.
social media. Pero am I still high-key type of person
No,
or
no, no.
low-key?
Like be whoever you wanna be. Like the person you are now.
If low-key ako, well then, I mean, it's great, I guess. Kasi parang, wala. Low-key naman ako eh. I want to be low-key. You don't have social media. So, wala. I don't have to worry about, okay, I have to post this person all the time or
Yeah.
ganun. Pero, if ako high-key, tapos ikaw wala kang social media, for some people, they might ask, oh, I feel like that's a deal breaker. Kasi, you're the opposite of that person.
Really? Me?
Ne-
I think I would love if they didn't have social media. Even
Talaga?
though Airbnb.
Oh my God, napaka-low-key niya nga.
Parang, wait, why don't they have social media? What is he hiding from the social media world? Or why? Bakit kaya?
Malay mo spy siya. Ganun. Joke
Baka
lang.
may krimen pa lang nagawa
Wala.
kaya ayaw na niya maging nasa social media world.
I don't know, but
You like
I find it really nice that they don't
Mhm.
have social media and that they have reasonable reasons. Because maybe they're focusing on their studies. They just think that social media is toxic or something. And
Mhm.
come on, guys, it's true. Like social
Mhm.
media is toxic at times.
They
but
prefer
then-
like the real world.
Yeah, the real world newspapers. Shut up.
I guess pag basta lang siguro na in person, because I feel like that's what
Yeah.
matters the most. Na
Mm-mm.
yun nga, like what you said, hindi man sobrang expressive on social media, basta in person, they're very
Totoo.
loving towards you. So I think that's what matters.
Bakit ganun
for
talaga
me
yung
in my
boses ni Aya? Napaka,
And it's cute, like, there are these, like, type of relationships na parang, ikaw yung hyper
Ano
girl,
ba?
tapos yung ka-partner mo
Chill.
is just like chill lang, tapos low-key. Pero in private, ano naman siya, like siya yung clingy, ganon. So, it's
parang
cute.
napaka-sexy.
kahit magkaiba sila, pero
Well, sexy din
in some
naman siya.
way, they complement.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Sometimes opposite attracts.
yeah, because like,
opposites attract.
example, I have what you don't have, you have what I don't have. So in a
Mhm.
way, we get to balance each other out and get to learn from each other.
Totoo.
So, ayun, depende. Pag-usapan nyo sa mga jowa nyo, what works for you guys. Kung gusto nyo ba na ma-post kayo or ayaw, pag-usapan nyo yan. Huwag kayo mag-away. Tapos if gano'n, no, kasi hindi ako pinopost ng jowa ko. Sige, ako mag-post sa kanya, tapos away pala. Away post pala. This is for my jowa na hindi pala appreciation
Wag naman
post.
yun.
Wag
Baka
naman
na
ganun.
influence na sila.
Oo, no.
Pero I think na bago kayo mag-away, kausapin mo lang ng maayos na
True.
it would make me really happy na i-post mo ko and
yeah.
like let people know that you're proud that I'm your girlfriend,
Mm.
ganon. And like sana kung magalit siya, yun na yung parang doon ako ma-off.
Mm.
Like if magalit ka na parang sana naman na parang may reasonable explanation instead of getting mad. Kasi if nagalit siya, it's like may tinatago.
Ay,
Tsaka,
tinatago.
you as a person, you're just communicating your
Mm-mm.
feelings.
Ano na conversation nila in fairness?
I'm just trying to relay what I feel, but you're mad at me. So, in a way na you feel invalidated when, you could just talk it out and understand each other, kung saan kayo nanggaling, but ganito yung reason, and then
Reason?
maybe like, do what you guys have to do, or do not do this or that. Ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a
And-
question then.
Oh.
In terms of gender,
Mm.
like,
Oh my gosh.
men or
Bakit
women,
nagsabi ka?
sino sa tingin mo yung mas mal-low-key? Yung mga boys or girls?
I
Men.
feel like, in my opinion,
Men.
I feel like that it would be guys who are
Mhm.
more low-key. Because I feel like that girls, they're just more into social media compared to guys.
Mm.
In my opinion lang naman. Kasi I feel like yung mga girls na gusto maging low-key, yun yung parang fewer than girls who want to be
Mm.
public about it.
Exactly.
Gets.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gets.
Bakit? Ikaw ba?
No, I'm just
Bakit?
asking because I'm curious then. And I'm
Bakit?
curious what you guys think. So, let us
Guys.
know what you guys
Mm,
think. 'Cause
lalaki,
I'm
lalaki.
curious. Kasi, iba-iba eh.
Pero what do you
Pero mas low-key ang mga bakla.
Ako,
Charis.
of all the...
Hindi pinapakilala ng jowa. Charis.
Guys, I know na
Ayaw machismis.
social media or na may jowa, not hindi sila high-key type of person.
Yeah, or-
Especially social media.
Or maybe dump account lang.
Dump.
private accounts only, ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the time, yun nga, parang it's the woman who is very expressive.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
And I mean, that's okay, you
It's
know?
okay, yeah. It's not
It's
it's not like
something...
it's wrong.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like she's just...
It's just
women
a preference.
Yeah,
That's
women
what
are
we
just
want.
very more expressive.
And scientifically, we are more emotional. Even if we try to
Yes.
deny it. Like, even if sometimes we try to deny it, but we are more emotional
We are more
scientifically.
emotional.
But there's nothing wrong then with being emotional.
Yes, happy wife,
Yes.
happy life.
We're just, expressing,
Happy-
communicating
happy wife,
our
happy life.
thoughts and feelings.
Yes,
Maybe
Mika.
I know.
But I feel like
Oh, there's an odds, of course. There's an odds.
we are more emotional, but we're also very empathetic, you know.
Mm.
Uh,
We're able to understand better,
yeah.
and that's why not at first, for example, nagkakaproblema, hindi mo
Mhm.
sasabihin agad.
Mm-hmm.
Parang hindi ka magagalit agad. You just
Mhm.
tell them you'd like to conversate with them first and like fix the problem, and
Mhm.
if paulit-ulit na, dun lang siya magalit. And sometimes some people misunderstand that, and like they think na ba't ka nagagalit agad, 'di ba?
Mm.
It's like no.
No. What did
Oh, I
you
also have a thought in mind na baka din kaya yung ibang couples out there, they want to, or some individuals out there, they prefer low-key kasi to begin with, they are introverts. So, parang, I'm shy. I don't want everybody to know. That's why, like, can we just keep it low-key? Ganon. So,
Gets.
baka din, yung pagka low-key, may binabagayan din sa personality,
Yeah,
no?
definitely.
So, in a way na, if siguro sa dalawang couple, tapos ito yung low-key sa relationship, okay, baka low-key kasi he is the introvert in the relationship, or he is
Mm.
an introverted person.
Pero
Or
feeling ko
depends.
feeling ko kahit hindi ka introvert, you'd want to be low-key about it. Kasi I
Mm.
really think that the amount of people knowing and how public you are, it affects also like how you'd handle your relationship. Kasi since a lot of people know it and they see, let's say for example, you're on your phone,
Mhm.
problematic ka, and people know about you guys,
Mhm.
baka biglang makikiano siya, like, parang mangingialam. Like, she's saying, oh, what
Mhm.
happened? Ganun. Paano kung you wanna keep it to yourself lang? And since people know about your relationship so much, parang okay lang sa'yo na mag-open ka, or sometimes it's like that.
And some couple din, they don't like it na parang may nakita nga ako sa TikTok na parang rules nila as a couple.
Oh.
If ever they have a problem between them, kahit parents man nila, dapat hindi nila i-share. Kasi it gives parang biases, or parang maiiba yung tingin
True.
sa other person.
Yeah,
In which
that's
na
true.
parang dapat hindi ganun. Kasi it should be like,
Bias kasi. Ganun
and
talaga.
you, the problem, and then me. Not like us. Ay, tama ba? It should be like us against the problem.
yeah.
Not the problem between us.
Yeah, gets.
ba?
Hindi, it's not,
Wait, what?
it's not you against me,
Yeah, that.
but it's us
against the problem. Right. Oh.
Okay.
Yun, dapat ganun.
Oo.
Actually.
Totoo yan. Pero I think that there are some people who are very rare to find that when they give you advice,
Mm-hmm.
they will, as much as possible, be understanding to both sides. And those are the people you really trust. you know?
Yeah, yung mga type of friends na ganun, no?
Kasi may mga friends na they'll immediately say, dump him. Like, dump
Oo,
her.
oo,
Yung ganun.
oo.
Hindi ganun kadali.
Oo.
Girl, pag mahal mo na yung tao, hindi pwede ganun lang. Ganun.
So, let's go with situationals naman. Let's give
sige,
some
sige.
scenarios. So, sige, what if like, ayun nga, you're my friend.
Oh.
I have a boyfriend. Tapos, yung boyfriend ko is very low-key. Ayaw niya na ayaw niya na makita yung anything about us on social media. Pero ako
As in
naman,
anything?
oo, like anything. Kahit yung magko-comment
Hala,
kami
hindi na
each
yung
other.
low-key. Secret na yun.
Mm-mm.
But for him, it's low-key. So, okay, as a friend,
Okay.
ikaw, you're the friend, and I'm gonna
Oh.
go up to you, Mika, I got a fight with my boyfriend. Like, what would you say? Give me some pieces of advice. Kasi, I really wanna post him. I want us to be interactive on social media. Kasi, ito pa. Kasi, we're long distance. So, in a way, that's how we get to
Grabe yung mga
show
senaryo ni
love
Aya.
because, we're
Yung mga
not
senaryo ni
like
Aya.
together in person. But he doesn't like it.
Yung totoo,
What should
Aya.
I do?
Did
Give
you
me
did you
ano na, bombarded na.
Bombarded.
did you ask him like why he doesn't want to post?
Ayaw niya kasi, I don't know, ayaw na talaga anything to do with social media. Should I dump him agad?
No.
Bakit kung magsalita si Aya?
Dump him
Denise
agad.
Laurel.
I think you should just talk to him nicely.
Not just Denise
And I
Laurel.
think you should like understand, like tell him you really need to know why, but you won't fight him. You just want to know why, and because explain to him that that is your love language too, and you guys are LDR pa. Alam mo ba yun? Ang hirap kayo ng LDR. Wow.
Are you saying it's my fault now?
No.
So, kumakante ka sa kanya?
Hindi.
Hindi.
It's just that I'm
Hindi
trying
nila.
to be both understanding on
Hindi
both
nila.
sides, because I do think that since magkaiba kayo, kailangan mong intindihin yan yung side niya without getting angry with him, you know? Like, first ask yourself if you were in his situation, diba? I want to be low-key. I'm not used to public things. I'm not used to showing my face. I want to keep my girlfriend's identity a secret, or ayoko siyang ipakita sa buong mundo because she's mine. Suddenly, may isip mo, parang medyo okay ako doon. Kasi may realize mo, he's protective of me, ganun.
Matithink mo, maiisip mo yung mga good reasons pala na, okay, baka he's ganun kasi this good reason, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ganun.
Pero one post wouldn't hurt, you know. And wag yun i-keep a secret. Don't keep it a secret, because that is something that you should be cautious of, because keeping it a secret, it's like sometimes they're hiding you from them in a bad way, na parang you don't want people to know that you're in a relationship because they're still open
Si
to
Mika pa,
relations.
ano ba, nagka-boyfriend ka ba talaga o hindi?
Also,
Yung totoo.
ano din, kasi 'di ba, let's talk about some stages in a relationship. Kasi 'di ba, there's this talking stage, there's this so what's after talking stage? Talking, dating.
Dating, yeah.
Is dating parang if kayo na din, parang
Actually, nalilito na
daming
nga rin
terms
ako
din.
eh. Like, I talked about this in my
Oh,
other
yeah.
podcast, yung mga terms. Pero kasi, some people, they consider dating as kayo na. Some people,
Yeah, parang you're in a relationship na, but,
But then,
we're
guys,
dating.
dating is different from officially.
Yes.
You know?
Yan din yung minsan, I'm dating with her,
Siguro
with him.
iba na
Something like,
dating is parang,
Parang,
wala lang, just go
date
date,
lang.
dinner
Yeah.
date,
Yes.
that's it.
Pero wala pang label na,
Wala pang
I guess
label.
my boyfriend. You just say you're dating
I guess
him.
that's, hindi yun yung exclusively dating.
Yeah,
Yun yung siguro
exclusive.
yung yung parang, okay, you cannot see anyone,
Yeah.
you and me, we're going on dates, just you and me, ganun.
Yeah.
So, in those
Galing
stages
ni
of
Aya,
a relationship, kasi, di ba may iba na, okay, let's stay low-key pag, since we're still like in talking stage, but we can go high-key if we're in this
Exclusive
stage
na.
na, if ganon. So, parang ano kaya yung acceptable? Or is there a stage na dapat ganito talaga you need to be low-key?
Ako feeling ko na it would be wise to be low-key muna when you guys just started talking. And like in the talking stage. And only be high-key
Pwede.
if you guys are exclusively
Possible.
dating. Because if you're not exclusively dating and just casually dating,
Yung pag-sure na.
yeah, kasi mabilis lang yun mawawala if casually dating lang. Wala pa kayong label. Hindi lang ganun kadali na like, bitaw na agad. Kung
Imagine like you're the high-key type of person, tapos kahit talking stage pa lang, pinost mo na agad, like, this is the person that I've been talking to. Ito sinabi
Oh
mo
my
sa
God,
parents.
imagine.
Oh my God.
Tapos after, wala na.
Wala na.
Delete
Oo.
post ulit. Tapos
Mm-mm.
mag-post na naman. Siguro yun yung mga din. In contrast with Loki, yun siguro yung mga bad things with high-key, I guess.
Ay, may tanong ako. are you the type na, let's say, dati ka pa, like, pre-bini, diba? Tapos parang you have this profile na private lang, small following. Would you be the type na post always your conversations and all your followers will see na you're ranting, nagpaparinig ka sa guy or girl?
Like yung mga chat?
Yeah, like kahit hindi relationship, 'di ba? Kahit sa friends mo kasi ganun yung mga ibang tao kapag high key sila eh. They really like make
They
parinig
speak their mind, which is
Yeah.
sometimes it's not good.
Yeah.
There is some thoughts in your mind that you have to keep it yourself. But yeah, I think that's the con of being too high key, I
Mm-mm.
guess.
I feel like
But-
they were getting too comfortable, like some people.
Well, for me naman, nag-share ako ng mga yung mga quotes lang.
Yeah.
Ganon. Pero hindi naman.
Pwede naman yung di ba?
talagang pinapatamaan.
Okay. Wala lang. Quotes siya.
If ever I share something, dapat yung marami yung
Makarelate.
makaka-learn or makaka-understand. Kasi parang, for me, no weird one. Kasi ako, if let's say, nagsastory ako ng caption or quote, tapos it's only meant for one person, parang, ewan ko,
Obvious na ganun.
I don't know, I feel like it's funny. Parang matatawa ako sa sarili ko if I'm looking at myself from a different perspective.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang, just tell the person. Just tell it directly. But pinapadaan pa sa
Actually,
mga posts
like,
or stories.
Actually.
it's always going to be better if you guys fix it privately. Because when it's publicly, it's so unnecessary for other people to know about what's going on. Lalo na pag nag-exchange ng pagparinig. Grabe ang high key nun. Like, I cannot,
Tsaka when it gets messy na kasi, di ba, ang dami na nakikasawsaw. And then all of a sudden, naging okay kayo. So, it's so hard to clean all that
True.
mess up
Yeah.
again and be okay. Kasi ang
Totoo.
dami nang nangyari in between and throughout the process. So,
wait lang. So, you mentioned something na parang you always look at your stories from another perspective. And like, actually ako din, like, before I post like a quote, iniisip ko muna, cringy ba to kung makikita ko to
Same.
na mapopost ng ibang tao to? Like, would I cringe? Would it be too obvious that it's for someone? Would it, yung mga ganong bagay? Kasi, I don't want to look back at my photos and then cringe every day about them.
Actually, may mga times ako na like, I check my archives, mga stories, tapos parang, bakit ko ba ito in-story? Or parang,
Same.
good thing naman, hindi ako nag-story ng mga ganito, nung uso yung mga ganitong quotes, ganun. So, yeah, you have to be careful and conscious. din.
Totoo. So, what do you think? So what is our conclusion? What is our learnings for today?
Ito na mga
podcast?
learnings.
Oh my God. Because I'm thinking na, wait, is it better to be low-key or high-key? Ganun. I think for me,
Parang ang hirap kasi.
I think it's better to be no-key. No.
Okay.
I think, pa rin with everything, you just have, it's a matter of balancing out. Like, sure, stay low-key, but not in a way na you're really gonna stoop down low for your relationship na parang everything's gonna feel low because, low-key nga. Pero, no, I guess, I think better term, and many people have used this, better to stay private but not secret.
Yeah.
Yeah, like still be expressive and loving and caring for each other, but not in a way na secret and you're just sure I'm giving you all the love pero tayo lang, and I mean nothing wrong pero alam mo yung parang in a way makakapag think ka din na ba't ang dami mong tinatago na it's not na parang in a way na tago siya kasi nobody is allowed to see the love that we have. Kasi parang sometimes it's nice na other people get to see that you are very loving towards each other.
Yeah.
Like, especially example, let's say you have a partner and you have kids. So parang it's nice na the kids get to see how loving you are because they get to learn from it. So that's what I meant with not trying to keep it secret na you're trying to be ang tawag doon, parang, no, only us can see the love that we have. Like, we don't want to share it to others.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ganun.
Wag naman ganon.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like you guys should find middle ground,
Mm.
common
Middle
ground with each other. And also, tama nga na parang secret talaga is a no-no kasi that shows na you're hiding something and that
And what
You have
would you be
something
hiding about?
yeah, and like what would you want? What else would you want? Like are you keeping your options open? That's why you're hiding.
Ay, feeling mo kaya
No.
siguro ganun yung ibang
Ay.
relationships.
Yeah, like may mga relationships talaga.
Ugh.
That's why guys, charot. Joke lang, hindi naman. It
could
applies
go
to
for both
everyone.
ways,
It
but-
applies to everyone.
Yeah, ang hirap nung ganun na parang ni-reason kaya pala naging they use low-key as a reason lang pala na to keep their options open na let's say low-key because ano pala on the back of their mind, I'm still like
May ads pa talaga.
girl. Tapos may mga ganun nga na magugulat sila ayun sa relationship that time. They're very low-key, tapos nag-break, tapos the next relationship, magugulat ka na lang na,
High key.
biglang nag-switch to high key si boy.
Oh my
Why
God.
kaya?
Kaya
Why
Diba?
pala.
Why kaya?
He wanted more.
I
or
guess-
she wanted more.
I guess dun mo malaman siguro na, yung low-key pala niya is secret kind of low-key.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
like, yun nga, tinago eh.
Oh,
Tinago. Papayag ka nun, tinago ka. Papayag ka nun,
Ako?
tinago ka.
Private lang, wag naman secret. Uy.
Uy, what's secret? Uy.
Wag naman.
So, ayun. Mid-key na lang, guys. So, wala yun sa
Mid-key.
options.
Wala. Maybe we'll, baka magiging masasama yun sa dictionary, yung mid-key
Totoo.
daw sa atin, no? Char. Yeah. So, ikaw, would you agree with the low-key
Yeah.
relationships out
Kasi
there?
low-key setting, it basically means private but not a secret. And
And I hope it stays that way.
I love low-key because
Wow.
I love my privacy and wala lang.
Low-key.
Gusto ko lang eh. And
Low-key
the
pala talaga
excitement
siya.
of not everyone knowing what's going on there. Like, low-key na tago, ganun. Parang.
Gets. Oh,
Gets.
also then, just the thought that came to mind. Kasi I know someone na parang,
Chismoso talaga si
diba,
Aya.
yun nga, going back to the stages of relationship, parang, di ba sabi mo, like, only post when you are together exclusively na,
Yeah.
and not pag you're still in the talking stage. Pero may iba nga kahit they're together na, they're exclusive, and they've been together for how many years, wala pa rin pinopost. Pero nagpost lang sila nung kasal na.
Oh
May
my
mga ganun. Yeah, I know
gosh.
someone.
I know
Nagpost
Kasal?
lang na nakasal na sila. So parang lahat is nagulat talaga. Tapos, especially example for the girl na ang dami pala niyang admirer. Kasi, I thought like all along wala siyang guy. Tapos nagulat na lang ako, I saw a post na kasal na pala, may ganun, may finger, ganun. So parang, diba?
That's so
Shocking.
slay though.
Tsaka, parang nagulat ako kasi parang, whoa, tagal na nila together. That's their first post. And, kasi yung iba, diba, may ibang tao dyan na parang na-insecure kasi hindi ako pinopost. He's not
Yeah.
proud of me. But, look at this. May couple na hindi nag-post for how many years? Nag-post lang na sila na. And kasi
How many
siguro,
years? Like 5?
No, it's more than, I think they were like more than 8. I don't know, I'm not sure.
Oh my
But
gosh.
yeah, nag-post lang nakasal na sila and everybody was so shocked.
I think
and-
that's my goal now.
Ay!
You guys will never
Wow.
know.
Para ano talaga, forever.
Yun na talaga yung goal niya.
No.
Oo.
Nasa social media. Walang bawian, walang delete option talaga.
Oo.
Sure.
Tsaka parang, if you think about it, it shows security. Kasi,
Yeah.
Actually,
parang they don't
Pero
have
kasi,
the validation.
ang hirap
Of
din.
posting.
on
Ang article. Kala mo na,
the best
I
type,
feel like they
feel
never actually argued about it. I feel like they never
Mm.
did. Kasi the fact that no one posted between the two of them, it's because they agreed together na, it's
Mm.
okay, you don't have to post.
Yeah,
Or
we
like,
don't seek
we don't have to
validation.
post. Yeah.
Yeah. Parang, sure, it would be nice, but it's not something na it's gonna break us apart just because you don't post me.
Yeah. True.
Yeah. Amazing, diba?
Amazing,
Yeah.
And that's a wrap, everyone.
Yeah,
Ay,
so we have talked a lot
45
about
minutes na yun.
low-key and high-key din. So, we wanna know kung saan ba kayo favor. Sa low-key ba kayo? Sa high-key?
Ako
Or
mid-key.
mid-key?
Mid-key.
Yes, let us know. Sa
Mid-key lang.
comments, tag us if you have anything that struck you with what we have been sharing with Mika. Let us know. And if you wanna hear more of the other podcasts, listen to it. We have
Alright. Already done. This is KJ of Pinano Vlogs. Ito na nga yung Mikaya. Ako piling ko mid-key ako. Nasa mid-key talaga ako. Kasi pag low-key kasi may tendency talaga na parang alam mo yung isang party kayang mag-cheat. Kasi pwede niyang sabihin na wala akong girlfriend, tapos pwede siyang lumante. What if yung isang tao yung nagkukunwari lang na low-key siya? Diba? Para lang at least hindi alam mo yun, mai-flex ang karelasyon niya. Wala lang, mid-key lang ako. This is KJ Vlogs. Bye!